Hello everyone, tonight we're going to be making a soap and I'm scenting it in Cinnamon Caramel Swirl by Bath & Body Works. I've went ahead and mixed a couple different brown micas and I was going to add some oat milk, organic oat milk to the soap, and this is from a new supplier, so I'm not too fond of the color of it, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm going to mix my oat milk and my kaolin clay in with my oils, and then we'll go ahead and add our lye solution with our sodium lactate. Yeah, I don't like the color already. Go ahead and add the lye solution. It's not too bad. I expected it to be darker. I'll probably add some titanium dioxide to one of the containers to lighten it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead, get these poured off. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our fragrance oil. This smells so good. This is a Bath & Body Works dupe. I haven't worked with it before, so I hope it's going to be okay. We definitely won't have a white here, but get as close as we can. I guess a cream is okay. You can see little specks from the oat milk. Hopefully it'll be okay on the soap. Gonna get our mold. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tap this down. Might let it set up just a couple minutes and then I'll go ahead and put the top on. Don't really need a swirl because we're putting a top on, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it, and what's left over I'm gonna just put in a little cupcake mold. So we'll let this set up and then we'll be back to cut it. Our soap is all set up, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Started to overheat a little bit. I wasn't quick enough to get it in the fridge. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. And then we're gonna set it aside to cure. Thanks for watching.